In this video, we are installing a 4 DPF Delete Kit on a Kubota KX080-4, powered by the V3307 engine. The kit is designed to replace the DPF system signals and prepare the machine for reliable operation without DPF-related interruptions. The kit consists of the device, wire and harness, and straight pipe. Learn more or get your kit at 4dpf.com. Link in the description. Before the installation begins, the machine display shows active DPF-related fault messages. Begin the installation on the Kubota KX080-4 by lifting the rear service cover. Behind this cover, you will find the main installation area, with all required mounting and connection points located close together for quick and efficient access. Locate the exhaust temperature sensor connectors in the after-treatment area and disconnect them from the machine side harness. Keep the connectors ready for the device harness. Now connect the device harness to the machine side connectors where the temperature sensors were previously connected. This allows the device to provide the correct temperature signals to the machine. Locate the differential pressure sensor, also known as the DPF pressure sensor. Disconnect the electrical connector from the machine side harness. This signal is required for the device to correctly replace the DPF pressure reading. Connect the device harness to the machine side connector that was previously connected to the differential pressure sensor. Push the connector in until it is fully seated and locked in place, ensuring a stable and secure signal connection. Locate the common rail pressure sensor connector. Carefully release the locking tab and disconnect the connector from the machine side harness, holding the plug body instead of pulling on the wires. This connection will be used in the next step to install the common rail pass-through harness. Install the common rail pass-through harness. Connect one side of the pass-through to the original common rail sensor, then connect the other side to the machine side harness. This keeps the sensor connected while allowing the device to receive the required common rail signal. With the temperature sensor harness, differential pressure sensor harness, and common rail pass-through installed, connect the prepared harness plug to the device. Make sure the connector is fully inserted and locked before moving forward. Secure the device and all installed wiring using proper fastening methods. Route the harnesses away from excessive heat, sharp edges, and moving parts. Clean cable routing keeps the installation professional and helps the system stay firmly in place during machine operation. Now move to the physical DPF removal. Start by loosening and removing the mounting bolts holding the original center DPF section in place. Once all bolts are removed, Carefully take out the DPF filter section from the exhaust assembly. Then, position the straight pipe in the same location, aligning it with the original mounting points and exhaust flanges. Install the bolts back in place and tighten them evenly to make sure the straight pipe sits straight, secure, and properly sealed. Start the machine after the installation and confirm that the display shows no active DPF-related fault messages. The installation on the Kubota KX080-4 with the V3307 engine is now complete. With the device connected and the straight pipe installed, the DPF Delete Kit is ready to help the machine work without DPF-related downtime, regeneration interruptions, or filter cleaning delays. More work, less waiting, and a cleaner installation process from 4DPF. Experiencing DPF or DEF issues? Contact 4DPF today and get back to work.